In this update to our AutoGen's series, we showcase a significant advancement, equipping AI agents with email functionality. This integration boosts our system's communication capabilities, demonstrating a crucial step forward in operational efficiency. We're picking up right where we left off. Now, we're going to create a new file called sendmail.py dedicated to handling our email logic. I've got the code ready, so let's add it in. Our first task is the sendMail method. Let's add the necessary imports to our script. Once we have everything set up, we'll dive into explaining what's happening in this part of the code. This function is designed to send emails programmatically. It accepts three parameters: the subject, body, and recipient's email address. Our sender is a placeholder private person with a sample email. The function constructs the email using these details, then connects to Mailtrap's SMTP server for safe and secure testing. Here, the email is not sent to the actual recipient, but captured by Mailtrap, allowing us to test and debug without risking real-world errors. We use environment variables for security, keeping sensitive information like passwords out of the code. Finally, the function confirms the email's successful dispatch. To ensure it works as expected, we'll conduct a test by sending an email with the message, "Dear Mr. X." After running our sendmail Python script, we'll check the mailbox. Perfect. There's a new email in Mailtrap from us to test mail with "Dear Mr. X." This means we're ready to integrate this into our agents. We import the sendMail method right from our Python file. If you're not familiar with services like Mailtrap yet, it's essentially a fake SMTP server designed for development and testing purposes. What makes Mailtrap so convenient for developers is that it intercepts and stores emails sent by your application in a safe testing environment. This means you can test email functionalities without the risk of sending actual emails to real users. Since this part is functioning correctly, we're now ready to integrate it with our agents. To do this, we'll directly import the sendMail method from our Python script, making it accessible for agent use. But we're not done yet. We need to add a method declaration to guide the agents on how to use sendMail. This gets imported too. This is a function description that guides our autonomous agents. It tells them about the sendMail function, specifically designed for sending emails via SMTP. This description is vital as it outlines the function's purpose, the required parameters such as subject, body, and recipient's email address, and their data types. This clarity enables our agents to understand and execute email sending tasks with precision. Now, it's time to empower the user proxy with this method, enabling it to send actual emails. We also inform the customer support agent about sendMail, so it can recommend its usage to the user proxy. We add sendMail to the functions array. We tweak the system message so that it not only drafts, but also sends emails. The process is adjusted so the agent not only writes, but also dispatches the emails. With everything in place, let's put our new logic to the test. We reboot the Python app and observe. The damage analyst accurately identifies the issue. The inventory manager checks the availability of spare parts. The customer service agent has prepared a detailed email. But there's a hitch. it doesn't have the customer's email address. For now, we'll manually add the customer's email in the prompt. This will eventually become a part of the customer's initial message to the agents. We add bobfood.de as the email and give it another go. The process restarts, and we're hopeful the email will be sent this time. It looks promising. We've got a notification that the email is on its way. Lastly, we check our mailbox. And there it is, a new email. It contains the message for the customer, including the price for the new spare parts, as per the database entry. And that's a wrap, a successful integration. We've made exciting progress. Our AutoGen agents are now empowered with email functionalities, marking a major leap in their autonomous communication capabilities.